is Denise and Rios Martiaga, and today we are going to be working on our exam review. This is Algebra 2, so welcome. I'm excited to work with you guys today. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hope you're having a great day. Right. As a friendly reminder, you should have something ready to write and ready to participate. This is going to be a PowerPoint review. The purpose of this is that we're going to work about today 3 to 4 questions today, and you should have an idea of which ones you understand or not. So here is our first review. We have the quadratic formula stated right here, along with the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. And you're gonna be responsible to memorize these equations and be able to know the difference. So let's get started with the first question. Review. Find the exact solutions to 3x squared minus 5x plus 1 by using the quadratic formula. You may pause the video at this time and work on this problem. And when you are ready, you may unpause the video. At this time, you will resume the video. Here is the solution. So for the quadratic formula of 3x squared minus 5x plus 1, we will identify what a is, which is a is equal to 3, b is equal to -5, and c is equal to 1. At this point, we will make a direct substitution between the values of each of these into the formula. We will then operate with the order of operations, which would then give us a negative times a negative is a positive. -5 squared is going to be equal to 25. 4 times 3 times 1 is 12, all being divided by the product of 2 times 3, which is 6. Once we have simplified, our answer should look just like this. Now, radical 13 does not simplify since that is not a perfect square. Let's move forward. We are going to go ahead, and this is your review for how to factor quadratics when a is equal to 1. As a review, you would place c here and b here and find the two numbers that multiply to 8 but add to 6. The two numbers would be 2 and 4. At this time, you would then place it into this x plus 2 and x plus 4 is equal to 0. Apply the zero product property, and then solve x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x plus 4 is equal to 0 and solve as seen. Your answers would be x minus x is equal to -2 and x is equal to -4. Moving forward, here's your next question. Solve x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals to 0 by factoring. Go ahead and you may pause the video, and when you are ready, you may resume the video to see the answer. All right, welcome back. Here is our solution. We have that the two numbers that multiply to -18 add to -6 are going to be -6 and 3, which then we would put in the form of x minus 6 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. Apply the zero product property, which allows us that x minus 6 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0, and solve them individually. We would now get x is equal to 6 and x is equal to -3. Alrighty, great job today. As you can see, it was a very short review for our quadratic formulas. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or to drop into my drop-in Zoom office hours. Have a great day. Goodbye.